That is really disgusting.
I think it's making a pile.
What are you doing? Come here. Come here. That thing is really intense. Right there. It's really big. What is that? Oh. Where'd it go?
What do you think?
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. What the heck is that? It's moving. Is that a bee? Is it a bee? Okay, well. Stop! What are you doing?
I'm trying to
No,
split
anyway, there's a grasshopper right there. Asher, come here. Asher, come here.
What?
Ready? Wait, hold on. Gonna zoom it out. Asher, come here.
Okay, fine. Let me put one on it.
Okay, it's not moving. Okay, it's not moving. Is it? Asher, get over here. I need you. He took too long, and now I guess it fell into the water and is now dead. Oh God, it's still moving. Yeah, squirt it over there. Oh, I almost fell.
Hold on, I need to split my plant.
Oh, look. Wait, spray it again. Spray it again.
Now let's go. We're going to eat fun. Not kick you.
I can't fit in that. Are you calling me fat?
I'm calling you too big.
Which is calling me fat.
Which is calling you too big.
Which is calling me fat.
Not big and fat, just
It
Tall.
too tall.
is. Biggest.
Too tall.
So if I was as skinny as a stick, then I would be able to fit in that. I would. I'm recording. This is gonna be on the internet, by the way. Well, you put retarded stuff on the internet with me.
Oh, let's go down here.
Mom. Mother.
Man, that's more than the
Mom.
small one.
Mom.
What?
The tides have turned.
Oh, do we need some of this?
Oh, okay.
Look, $3 each.
I thought it was funny. Who's that?
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
No, I didn't ask you.
Hey, when the truck comes, it's like a stop sign.
Can I drive?
No. Hey, stop!
We're gonna go look at some lamps. They're actually ceiling lamps. There's a difference. Oh yeah, you like that? Mickey Mouse is the best. Oh, we're about to run into the wall. Ashley, make sure that there's no big car.
Hold on. Go ahead.
Oh, the lamps. Oh, there's someone on. Oh,
Oh, look at that.
oh, see that one's cool. Why don't I get something cool? I want a chandelier in my
Look at the
room.
blue one.
Oh, let's go to the blue one. What is that thing? Oh, it's a feather duster.
Oh, no, I'm falling in.
Please don't fall out. Okay. Blue light. Oh, look at this spider.
Whale.
No, it's not a real spider.
Whale. Oh, yeah, it's a ladybug.
Okay, so a bird just flew in the window. Oh, did you hear that? Look at the bird. Oh my god. The bird just walked across the aisle like no big deal. Oh my god. Did you not?
Can we go to the now?
No, in a second, hold on, there's a bird. They're still talking about it. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
I collect shower heads. I don't take in balloons. Bird just went down this aisle. Hello, bird. Bird. There's like a ton of birds in here. I've only seen like one or two that look the exact same. Bird. Asher's say turkey jerky. No, like turkey jerky.
Pookie turkey.
Oh, I forgot we sold this.
Turkey turkey.
It's awesome
Wow,
price,
that's
too.
an awesome
That's
price.
what I said. I'm like,
Turkey jerky.
gosh, we're on it.
There's a bug. I'm gonna cry. Huh?
Yeah, you want.
Like everyone's going to see this movie. I thought that was Zac Efron.
Like,
I looked at it for 2 seconds.
we went to that chamber.
See, there are
for like 4 days.
they've already been talking about their medical issues.
Oh, she can't go. I can't go. Nobody can go.
Yep. No one can go.
And then
No what?
chamber mixer last night.
That always.
Always here.
Bum, bum, bum.
I'm waiting for you to rip your pants.
I probably am soon. I'm surprised I haven't. Dun, dun, pow, pow, pow. Your turn. Oh, that was so.
Popcorn tomorrow night. Working, so.
That was. I don't know. I don't really know what that was.
Oh crap, I have to work tomorrow. I forgot about that.
Should we just watch Tatum?
Satan himself.
Satan on Skype.
Nice one.
I know. I don't know. I don't know.
I give up.
I don't know what that was. Like, I don't know.
I give up on everything.
Whatever. Whatever.
Oh, Lord.
So everyone died.
I thought they were
In that
gonna start.
Oh, well, I probably just gave away the entire movie now. Whoops.
You failed everything.
I'm sorry. Everyone probably went to go watch it anyway. They don't even know what we're talking about. Except they probably do. Sorry.
There, girls, and tell us what you see.
Satan?
Is that like a finished area?
looking through that.
I'm not looking through
Get
anything.
down there and look.
You get down there and look. I'm not doing it.
As face pops up. Oh, I'd cry.
And brace the window.
I think they're painting.
I'd
Just a
run.
hand.
I'd run.
So it is getting done. I was like,
Okay.
be soft.
Yeah.
They have nice hair.
There you go.
Look at his hair.
Is he soft, Asher?
You hear a little white-faced one?
Oh, how cute.
Yeah.
Is that always the way?
Well, unless,
They sound like little
unless something is
babies.
seriously wrong, then it's that
Here?
sound.
We want to. We like to see them. Those are vinegaroons. Whip scorpion.
Well, why are those in the tube? Why are those in a tube?
I'm not really sure.
Look
They
how
look
long
like they're being incubated.
Look how long it's been. Oh my.
Look how large
See,
that is.
these are the worst ones, the real tiny ones, because they don't know how to like control their venom.
Which one was in our house?
That one.
Oh, really? So those, like, it was really poisonous?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, it was really. Oh.
Really poisonous.
So, like, if I got bitten by it, I
You gotta go
most likely die.
Let me have this. What all did you get? Goodies? I like these. I think those are cool looking. Oh, those are neat.
They're glass.
Look at this thing.
Don't lean.
This, that looks like a rock.
What's this thing? Oh, it's like a rocket.
That's kind of crazy.
Look how hard Stop it! What is this?
It's the wrong way. You have to,
This way?
or it's broken. Hold on, hold this.
What
Hold
is
this.
this?
Hold this. Asher, hold this. Don't put your. Let's see. Come over here. See, that's broken. Asher, bring the camera over here.
No, I don't want to hold it.
Look at it. Oh, it's broken. Yeah, it's broken. Give it back to me. You're doing a really bad job.
Oh, fire truck.
Look at that thing. Hey, what's that?
Look at this.
Watch.
I want to see that.
What else?
What is it?
What's this magic fish? Oh. Asher, look. An iguana.
Look, Daddy.
Look at this thing. He goes in. You can put it in the pool and then catch him.
Those things disturb.
That is.
No, these things. Like, why
Watch
do
the
they make
tornado.
those noises? You gotta stink. Don't you? That didn't do anything.
Oh, let's see.
Well, are there instructions?
There it is. Look at that. There's no place like home. Wow, look at that Jeep, dude.
I know. Look at this one.
What is this?
Look at this one.
He wanted to talk about it.
Look at this one. Oh, stop it.
What are these?
Look, you can change tires on this one.
Oh, it's a
Can I
harmonica.
have it?
A case.
Can I have it, Daddy?
Open.
Oh, it turns to claws. It's gonna...
Oh yeah, let's get a bell. We can get a bell.
I want to play now.
Ding ding.
I dropped
When
it.
you get sick next time, you can just ding and tell me that you want some. Ding ding.
That's actually a really good
food.
idea.
What
Why do you
can
have to
I
be
get,
sick?
Daddy?
What is this?
Do you want me to do something here or do you want to wait?
What is this?
It's a mouth open.
What is this thing?
This looks like some
Look
kind
at
of
that.
zipper for your mouth.
Animated walking zombies.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Hey, look at
Head
this.
and arms fall off.
Look.
Oh, I want this. Ouch. Ouch. I want this. Can I have it?
How about we do something? We're going to
We're going to this one?
Actually, you can learn how to look and find letters to color.
Is it not sour?
I'll take the bag because he'll eat that maybe.
Want some peach cobbler? Can you do it? Can you do some peach cobbler? I always do peach cobbler.
Yeah.
Don't eat more. Get this straw out of the way.
They get dessert anyway, don't they? The whole ice cream?
I am
Yeah.
not eating this.
You're not.
I am.
Do you want a scoop of ice cream?
I want the chewy one up the top. Chewy. I'm
Don't make a mess with
No,
that.
don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet.
I'm making full of peach. I'm making peaches.
You're making peaches with syrup and pineapple.
What if it tastes exactly like peaches?
It's fine, quit making a mess. Now you just wasted it.
That might actually be pretty good.
Now I need some photo.
Avoid a spear or what?
I'm gonna go sleep now.
It's almost open.
Sit out there running rocking chairs.
Yes.
Just bring me a little cup of cherries if that's
That's
Fine. Yeah.
Just in the one peach cobbler.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
well, ice
Thank
cream
you.
on it. Does it come with ice cream?
Disgusting.
Yes, one
Yes.
scoop.
Yeah.
Yep. And I'll get. Do you want to get some sweet cheese prepared for you guys to go?
No, we're okay.
All right.
Thank you.
I almost lost my hand with that.
What is that red thing on the pine after? What's the red thing?
Been here forever.
What red
What's the
I
red
think
thing
we
with the
waited on this the
pineapple?
last time we were here.
What red thing?
There's
Were
something
you here
red
with me
on
or
the
was it my
pineapple.
mom?
Wait, that's
Is that a piece of crayon?
I had it on my
No,
mom.
it's
I
strawberry.
don't know why we were going through
We
here.
have strawberry? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Daddy, you sit like
And I didn't think it was that bad. No, don't blow on it too hard.
Yes, do it.
Holy moly, look. No.
Do something funny.
Each Pablo. Scooch.
Hey, don't do that.
Do it. No, don't do it. That's a bad idea. Look, he gave you guys a cherry. Or was that already there? Nope, he's taking it away.
But you just put it there.
now a cup of sugar.
That's really disgusting. I dare you to eat it afterwards.
No.
It doesn't look bad. It actually looks really good.
No.
That looks very appetizing.
I'm gonna put
Eat
all
it
the
out of the way.
sugar. I'm gonna put all the sugar in. What is this? Oh, the sugar.
Yeah, you just go sit over there. Their hand is always in the way.
Now I need some ketchup inside.
No.
Yeah.
No. That's going to be gross.
Do
Quit
it.
making a mess. No, somebody's got to clean this.
Hey, give me it.
That's really great. That looks amazing.
Now a cup of disgusting head.
New homemade syrup.
Let me put some of this inside.
No.
Ranch, do it.
Stop.
I'm not
No.
gonna. I'm not
I know you're not going to eat it, but somebody's got to clean that. So you don't want to make a mess. Yeah, that's gross. Salt and pepper is fine and some sugar.
Just dump the whole thing in there.
I want to dump the whole sugar in again. I'm not gonna eat it.
Please eat it.
Probably be good with just the sugar, but
Not with pepper and salt.
stir it up now.
No, not yet.
That was good with just sugar, but
Are you done?
salt and
It's
pepper.
gonna be
Yeah.
so good with salt and pepper. Please eat
Looks
it.
like a strawberry.
Oh my god.
That, well, you did.
eat it.
He's gonna do that every single time.
Do it again.
You're gonna have him doing all kind of stuff when he's older. Watch. I dare you to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I have sugar in my mouth.
Actually, this is the sugar. Did you know that? That's the salt.
All right, quit wasting it.
Alright, that's enough. Now eat it.
See, I'm not the only one who did
I know, now eat it.
It's gonna be good with extra salt. Now stir it around. Yeah, add a ton of sugar in it, and that'll be good. Add a crayon for extra
No.
pizzazz.
Put that right here. That's enough. That's
Please
enough.
stir it.
I want to do the course for me. I'm not gonna eat it this time. 'Cause this is.
Come on, we ready?
No.
Okay, let's go.
Stir
Eat
it.
it. Yeah, stir it.
Holy.
Let's go.
That used to be pure liquid.
Might actually be pretty good if it didn't have salt and
I
pepper.
know, and then salt and pepper in it. It'd just be cherry sugar.
Come on, Daddy, let's go.
Please get it. Wait, show it to the camera. Show it to the camera. Look, there's another one. Ashley, you want to get Olaf? Look, there's another Peppa Pig.
Come on. No Peppa Pig. I thought you had a hedgehog already once.
No. I had a squid. Oh, I almost dropped everything. You're getting fat dog. Yes. Do you not see him? It's like a lamp. Here we go. Do you not see it? Like up there.
Over there. Watch out, Asher. Get out of the way. Yeah, they're already in there.
Flam.
Yeah, right here.
I want one of these.
What did you get, Asher? Show it to me. Oh, yes. Wait, what is it?
Thank you. Told you.
Uh-oh, trash. Trash fell off.
Now we're in Lowe's, and there's a bird. Of course, near the bird feed. Oh my goodness. Hello, bird. Love it. No, don't leave me now. It opened the thing. I found another bird. I'm in the garden area. Bird! No, come back. Bird. There's a ton of birds in here. Hello? No, 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 no. I'm chasing birds. Because there's nothing better to do. This is why I like department stores. There's a ton of birds in here. Oh, look, there's one right there. Hello? I don't know what happened to the one there. Hello? Oh my gosh, there's a ton up there as well. Where are these birds? I didn't even realize there's a bird right there. Hello, bird. Is there something over there moving? Oh, maybe because of the bird. It's really hot in here. I don't know why birds like this. Oh, this is the nature area anyway. Oh, and there's outside. Well then. That explains why there's like 400 birds. Bird. Oh, and dog. And rabbit. Birdess. Oh my goodness. Birdess. Oh my goodness, birdess. It smells bad in here, probably because of all the poop. Birdess. Wait. Why are there so many birds? Oh my gosh. There was a bird over there somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. His name is Jeffrey. I like you. Oh my goodness. I think I just found a rabbit. Hold on, I found a rabbit. Mom, I found a rabbit. Oh my gosh, I think it... Oh, I just found a rabbit. Oh, hold on. Oh my god. Is it stuck? I want to help it. Rabbit. Right there. Oh my gosh, I think it's stuck now. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not stuck. Can you get out there? Bunny! This light is great.